What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rich. This is a little POV drive back from Thompson. Just give you guys little views. Kind of sounds like shit, guys, because yeah, exhaust leak in the headers, which my headers to heel toe, so I don't know exactly how long this whole swappage is gonna take, but then once I get that, I'm probably gonna go DC headers. They worked fine, you know, I got an extra flex pipe just in case. We'll be good. BC coils are coming in too. Sluggish, has an exhaust leak, and K series do not like exhaust leaks. They feel mad sluggish. I'm telling you guys, this car is gonna rip afterwards. Break right here, guys, and probably take some pictures. It is a little chilly, but it is nice views. We don't stop here too often, so. Stopped at that place, took some pictures and some videos, tried to do some sort of content, you know. It was just some nice scenery. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram. I should have done this video on our way here because it was literally so dead. It would have been perfect. This is a nice road to really dip on, but wouldn't be able to. Get to 80. Oh, the heli after us, man.
Look, he just passed after us.
That would have been bad if I was
right,
going
take a right,
a little
right
quicker,
here.
though.
Yeah. My person did when you were going uphill, which is dumb.
Yeah, if you're gonna overtake, guys, never fucking do it while you're going uphill. Never. Never, 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 never. Your momentum isn't there, and if someone coming downhill, it'll be a real bad situation. If you guys see any lights on the dash, don't fucking mind it. Block that shit out. I gotta reset the oil thing still, I haven't done that. Honestly, I don't even know how to do it on this car. I have to look it up. I haven't been driving the car too much. Took it out today because it's the weekend. It was a little longer drive, so I wanted to enjoy it more. Have a little spirited driving session. Coming back with another little video. This may be addition to like a vlog and whatnot. Shout out to my girl for her early anniversary gift. We made 4 years next month. Obviously, like, she's not gonna be able to hide this from me. This shit heavy as fuck, and it's got a big ass picture of it, so she decided to give it to me early and whatnot. I was waiting for us coming back from the drift event, so I'm gonna unbox this. It's gonna be a great addition to the garage, store all my tools and whatnot. It's really needed. I've been needing something like this. Big shout out to her. She's the bestest one on the team. Oh, so yeah, it's got some rollies. It's got like the bottom part, in the middle or whatever. So, you know, nothing to it but get to it. I also got a pressure washer. I'm gonna be doing a car wash and whatever too. So that's gonna be fun. Pressure washer foam cannon, see if it works and how well it works. We got a bunch of nuts, and we gotta put on the wheels, and I guess the cabinet goes on top. Alright guys, as you can tell, it's all set up. It's looking nice and beautiful on this back wall. And shout out to my girl, again, this beautiful little setup. And I have to obviously sticker bomb it with our first sticker. Deciding on where I want to put it. Like, I don't want to make things look dumb, you know? Even though this is fire, you could cop this, you know, at Rich.shop. You know, let me know. Or you could just hit me up on IG and we could do it that way, whatever. But yeah. Pressure washer. Alright guys, so we got some soap in here. I put some of this shit. Definitely not gonna be the most soapiest thing. Definitely need to buy something else. Even McGuire's Gold Glass would be like sufficient. So let's see if you know how this is gonna work. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up on the video. A lot of things coming for this build. Parts are coming in, and I'm wearing my Crocs. Alright, you guys go back on the tripod. Now it's time to clean my girl's car off. This week I'm just doing cardio all week. I did 45 minutes of full-on straight hill climb. I do it all week, and I'm trying to cut some weight, then like start working out again, because I've been doing both. I'm trying to drop a couple pounds so I could, you know, even things out a little bit. I'm gonna be a thick, bulky boy. If you guys notice in the videos, a little different in slimness or whatever, let me know. It'd be good to know. Good to hear too. soap for the foam canning because it's like a wash and wax. so it kind of like wants to stay on there more instead of like